I ask all four AIs for their advice on a subject. Then I create things like a guide for how to do the epic marketing plan for this particular subject matter, which you guys should all be doing. Hey, give me a epic marketing plan for my database for the month of April. Hey, give me an epic marketing plan for this new listing coming up. What do you think? Hey, give me an epic marketing plan for a specific scenario. What's your thoughts? Then you take the output and then you just go copy, paste, and go over to Grok and go, how would you make this better? Go over to Chat. How would you make this better? Gemini, how would you make this better? Claude, how would you make this better? If you have an amazing epic marketing strategy that you're excited about, where there's a lot of revenue on the line, there's a lot of opportunity in front of you at your fingertips, and for free and or $20 a month, you have almost super intelligent AIs available to you. Just to keep this simple for you guys, because now all of you are going to have a $20 a month minimum standard Claude account. What I typically do is then I just take I copy the chat response, copy the Gemini response, copy the Grok response, and I paste into Claude. And I go, hey, Claude, here's 3 different perspectives. Synthesize the best from each, and then let me know what you would deem as absolutely, yes, move forward with. These are some things for consideration, and these are stupid, don't do it. So I just have 3 to 4 of the world's smartest AIs giving me their answer to my unique scenario for me to figure out how I can go cash this $50,000 check. Then Claude synthesizes it. And now Claude, the reason why I like Claude is because Claude's ready to perform work, right? The chat doesn't really create the Google Doc. It doesn't really create the PDF. The design's terrible. Gemini kind of does a decent job, but it's okay. Grok's not doing that yet. Now, will those 3 start to do that? Yes, they will. They'll get there. But in the meantime, Claude will create a PDF. Would you like it to create a PowerPoint? Sure. Would you like it to create a Word doc? Great. Would you like to create a Google Doc? Sure. You just tell it what to do and it will create the thing